Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about the production technology of papaya. Coming to the botanical classification, it belongs to the order Brassicales, family Caricaceae, and the scientific name is Carica papaya lim. And the chromosome number 2 and 2x equal to 18, and 4x it will be 36, that is tetraploid. And it is originated in the tropical America or Mexico. It is known as a wonder fruit crop of tropics and subtropics. And in the case of papaya crop, there is both demand for fruits and also papain, which is extracted from the latex. And in the few decades, Syrian production has been increased. It was introduced in the 16th century by the Portuguese from the Malacca, that is a region placed in Malaysia, and it is cultivated both in the tropical and subtropical countries. These are the main countries in worldwide where papaya is cultivated. That is, here you can see the list of countries: Australia, Hawaii, Brazil, Malaysia, Burma, Philippines, Sri Lanka, India, South Africa, Kenya, and Thailand. India is the largest producer of papaya in the world. Maharashtra is the leading state, and the other states where papaya is cultivated includes Kerala, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Rajasthan. This slide demonstrates the composition and uses. It has a proteolytic enzyme papain. Proteolytic enzyme means the enzyme which can break down the complex protein into simpler forms. It is good for the digestion of protein-rich foods. Yellow pigment is due to the chemical caricaxanthin. Then carotene, it is the precursor of vitamin A, which is rich in papaya. And it is used as staple fruit, and also various processed products are prepared like nectar, wines, jam, jelly, you can see, and it is also dried using osmotic dehydration. Then green fruits are used as diuretic. It is used as a mild laxative and also as a vegetable. Then fruits are used for treating disorders like piles, dyspepsia of spleen and liver, then other digestive disorders, diphtheria and skin blemishes. And it is also added as an ingredient in the face creams and dental paste. And various medicines are also prepared from the proteolytic enzyme papain. Here you can see the nutrients and the composition. You can see the vitamin A content, which is papaya is a good source of vitamin A. Various species of carica. The genus Carica has 21 species, and all the species are dioecious except for Carica monoica, which is a monoecious crop. So only Carica monoica, that is a monoecious species in the Carica genus. All other species coming under the genus Carica are dioecious. There are 5 edible species: Carica papaya, Carica chilensis, Carica gaudotiana, Carica monoica, and Carica pubescens. These are the 5 edible species coming under the genus Carica. And Carica cauliflora, this is a species resistant to virus. So as you all know, Carica papaya is affected by many viral diseases. So this Carica cauliflora has resistance to virus diseases. Then ring spot virus resistant Carica pubescens. Then mountain papaya Carica canta marcensis, and Carica pentagona, that is resistant to frost. This is again repetition. Then genetics and inheritance of sex. Papaya is a polygamous plant. That means polygamous plant means it has unisexual and bisexual flowers. So the main basic sex forms are pistillate, hermaphrodite and staminate. Pistillate or the female form is the most stable form. The other two forms, that is hermaphrodite and staminate. So the hermaphrodite and staminate sex forms are influenced by the climatic factors. And Story 1958 has classified the sex forms and flowers into 8 types in papaya. So these are the 8 classifications. Staminate, that is a male plant. Then teratological staminate, that is sex reversing male plant. And reduced elongata, carploid elongata, carploid pentandria and pistillate. So pistillate means simply pistillate plants, and from reduced elongata to carploid pentandria, these are hermaphrodite plants. That is reduced elongata, carploid elongata, pentandria and carploid pentandria. They are hermaphrodite plants. And these sex forms are polygenically controlled and influenced by various environmental factors. 3 allelic genes, capital M1 for maleness and capital M2 for hermaphrodite and small m for femaleness. Among the 32 different sex forms, pistillate form is the most stable form and it is not influenced by climate. As earlier told in the earlier slide, pistillate form is the most stable one and it is not affected by any environmental factors. So changes in sex expression will be accelerated by environmental factors. So the maleness will be increased during summer or when the temperature is more, and femaleness will be enhanced at low temperatures or in winter season. And also papaya plants, when 100 to 125 days, the research studies have proved that produces more females if we apply GA3 25 ppm or ethyl 100 ppm. So the application of some chemicals will enhance more female flowers. Then other chemicals used are TIBA, triiodobenzoic acid at the rate of 50 ppm. Then SADH, succinic acid, 500 ppm. Then more factants are also used for inducing female flowers. So here you can see dioecious means it will have both male and the female flowers, and gynodioecious means it will have bisexual flowers as well as the female flowers. And also the fruit development, the fruits developed from the female flowers will be round in shape, while the fruits developed from bisexual flowers will be elongated. You can see from the image of the ovary. Here you can see the ovary shape. It is the female flowers will have almost round ovary, so the fruits will be round. Whereas in the case of these are the bisexual flowers, and in the case of bisexual flowers, you can see the ovary. It is elongated. So you will have elongated fruits after the development of the ovary. This picture shows the variation in shape and size of the papaya fruits. Here you can see very small fruit, then very much elongated fruit, spherical fruit, round fruits. These are the variation in shape and size of papaya fruits. This shows the cut fruits depicting the variation in shape, size and color of the fruits. So we have seen the introductory part of production technology of papaya. Scientifically it is termed as Carica papaya, and papaya is a polygamous plant. It is grown in both tropics and subtropics, and it was introduced to India in the 16th century. And among the sex forms, the female form is the most, or pistillate is the most stable form. The other sex forms are affected by the environmental factors. And story gave the classification of papaya flowers based on the sex forms. And we have also seen the different variation in shape and size of the fruits. So the remaining uh, portions will be dealt in the next PPT. Thank you.